Yagni benta jonga kubor la one raspi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kasorkar jala hakalai terik unaitung arajar arpo kalarai ben penjari deka curfew ke basabu prakenta nadu shibet min miet hadu kesinging kong min step haki benta jong ke bernihat hadu khanapara kadau kolong namar ke jingkiu kensan ke beyo pang COVID-19.
Curfew will be clamped from today because every night we used to have the night curfew 9 o'clock to 5, but for this area starting from Bernihat up to Khanapara, total curfew will start from tonight 9 o'clock in the evening till next Monday morning. Till next Monday morning. An instruction has been issued to the Ribhoi Deputy Commissioner to issue necessary order.
Hakiju kapor kasorkar kalarai ben pelong deka random test lani ben test ki pajba kat balap. La ben kero hangni bahakini kisi baladap kasorkar kalapentre kami ke lockdown. Hakini ki jaka bakhapur bar ka Guwahati haka balakhang dut ibarok ki dukan ki badon hakate kathan.
Taking into consideration the spike that has taken place, especially in the national highway Shillong to Guwahati, starting from Bernihat up to Khanapara. So we decided, especially that Khanapara area, from tomorrow we have instructed Health Department, DHS and the whole team of the district administration to go for random testing. Immediately from tomorrow, starting from tomorrow, to go for random testing.